Hey everyone, welcome back to the FHMB channel. If you're joining us for the first time, I am Gav, the fat hairy mountain biker. And in this episode, I'm going to be fitting a multi-tool to the Haibike. Let's crack on. Alright everyone, let me show you what we're dealing with here. I have got the Granite designed Stash multi-tool. Looks pretty trick in the gold. Let's take a look. What we got? A few long bolts and an Allen key. Fitting instructions. And the tool fastened in with a wire tie. This is the tool. Fits in there, then you've got your multi-tool there. Very nice. Right, so let's have a quick look at the tool itself. So we've got this little piece that comes off, which is a valve core remover and spoke key. Then you take the black cap off. And what we've got, 5mm Allen key, 4mm Allen key, 6mm T25 Torx, 2mm 2.5 and a 3mm and a flat blade. Quite a cool little tool. Not bad at all. And unlike other stash tools, this one fits in your stem, your bar stem, and you don't have to cut a thread or anything in. It just basically bolts up through the bottom and replaces your star nut and clamps it shut like that. So there's two different types. There's this one, which is the 42mm version, and then there's a 30 something version, or is it 27 I think. So the 42mm version is for a tapered steerer, and the other version is for a straight steerer. It's slightly different, it has like a rubber bung in it that you squish and it becomes wider. So for your tapered you want the 42, for a straight steerer you want the other type. So let's crack on with the install. Right guys, you're now on head cam. So let me just run you through the tools we're going to need for this install. You're going to need your 5mm and 4mm Allen key, or whatever size Allen head bolts, hex head bolts you've got holding your bar clamp on. You're going to need a drift, punch, long one and a hammer, because we need to knock out the star nut. Right, let's crack on. Right, so first up, remove the top cap. 5mm Allen key. There we go, she's off. So next up we're going to have to smash this star nut out using our drift and hammer. With this being a tapered steerer, I don't think we'll have to knock it through too far before it drops out the bottom. So let's have a go. And there we go. She is out. Right, so next up, it's selecting the right size bolt to fit through your steerer. Now it does come with an instruction telling you roughly what size you need to go with. But as I run a real high bar, I'm going straight with the longest bolt. So put the longest bolt through this top piece, drop it into your steerer, get your 5mm Allen key in it, ready to go. And basically this piece goes up from the bottom can move the bolt about using your Allen key to get it in the centre. Once you've got it lined up, just tighten her up. There we go, she's in. Right, I'll just crack these stem bolts off to make sure it's tightened down properly. That is in tight. Tighten the stem bolts back up. And then insert your tool. Oh yeah, that looks cool. Right, so there we go folks, that's a really easy install and I think it looks pretty cool. And the orangey gold goes with the little decals on my bike. And then underneath, look, the gap in your forks is now filled up so you don't have to deal with any mud getting in there. So it kills two birds with one stone. Pretty cool bit of kit. Yep, like that. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Really easy install. Now we've got an awesome little multi-tool on the Haibike. I'll stick a link for this in the description below. If you enjoyed this video or found it at all useful, smash the like button, maybe even subscribe or get some merch, and I'll catch you in the next one.